just in that area, so it's
It doesn't necessarily apply to mountain regions?
Oh gosh.
Well, I mean, maybe we're already seeing it affect Chicago weather a little bit. You know, we've seen the polar jet stream still kind of stay up in Canada and sort of retreat north. So that's typically what these El Nino patterns do. We have that active southern stream, jet stream, which is the subtropical jet, so warmer, more moist air supply. But that can also create some cooler weather because of all the shower and moisture. But for that northern tier, Chicago, I mean, above average is kind of where they're supposed to be.
Yeah, it is, and
Forecast through December is to stay pretty mild in the Midwest.
Right, yeah.
We got time for another question. This one tonight comes to
You're
us
going to need me for this.
From Ryan?
I'm having technical difficulties.
Okay, go ahead.
So I can't visualize it. So this one's coming in from Nick. This one's coming in from...
Oh, well, that's a good question. Well, size is going to be a factor as well.
And the duration too, like if it's been a more stormy period too, like maybe if let's say it's been a while before they've been impacted, you know, maybe that, of course, I don't know, maybe that has the opposite effect. Somebody out there knows, maybe that has the...
when nothing's been scoured out.
Tide cycles will play a role in that as well, the kind of water rises you get. But in general, the bigger the wave, the more erosion it's going to cause.
Right, right.
So a good question, and I appreciate that. So far, what can we expect, though, for the remainder of the month? You hinted that maybe in a few days it's something to keep our eye on.
Yeah, it really is. You know, for this time of year, this is about where we expect to see tornadoes here in the south. But we kind of want to look at that.
But not directly.
Yeah, not directly.
Have you ever heard of that, Dave?
I just walked in the middle.
Okay.
So this is y'all's.
Read the bottom thing. Sea surface temperatures can they affect waves?
Can they affect wind driven?
So
if you have more storms.
It's the same way I know Kevin Bacon. 6 degrees. Kevin Bacon.
All right, next question. Did we put in a timeout?
We've already had some.
We have.
Where you are. I mean, Maine just got, what, 6, 8, 10 inches the other day.
So let me
But it's melted, too.
You're the main guy.
Yeah, let me say, having worked in Vermont and Maine.
I was looking at the New England forecast. Look, after the
records in the next weekend, then we already get snow.
That's right.
Yeah.
Do we have time for one more question? 0Z to an 18Z?
The GFS has teased me just too much.
Self-professed weather geeks, we're talking 0Z, 12Z, 18Z model runs. Yeah, dog. That's what we're talking about right there. Davidson, blow it up. All right, let's get you up to date.